Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix please turn off USB storage and try again in WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few fixes we can try. So fix number one is to clear cache. So long press down on WhatsApp, click in the eye to get into app info. Scroll down under usage, click in the storage, and we want to go ahead and clear cache. Fix number two is to turn off USB storage. So unplug your phone from the computer if it's connected. Then open up your phone settings. So go to settings and then go to storage. So I'm just going to type in storage like so. Or go to connected devices. This varies by phone. Now you need to look for USB storage, file transfer, MTP or USB for file transfer, and then switch it to no data transfer or charging only. Restart WhatsApp and try again. Now, if you're like me and you don't see the USB storage or similar, so on your Android versions, the message can appear if your SD card is unmounted. So go to settings, storage, SD card, mount, or your phone is in developer mode with USB debugging. So try turning it off temporarily. And also file access permissions. So go to settings, apps, WhatsApp, permissions, and make sure storage, photos, and media is allowed. So I'll just run through that last one. So go to settings. Then we need to go to apps. And then I'm just going to search for WhatsApp. Now once we're inside of WhatsApp, scroll down, click into storage. And then make sure your photos and media is allowed. Or if you can't see it there, go to where it says permissions. And then from here, where it says photos and media, go ahead and allow. So allow always. Like so, then we come back, we can see photos and videos are allowed.